Hello everyone, I'm still here on White Hill. It's such a beautiful day. It's not eerie up here at all because of the blue. I can imagine it's eerie up here when it's grey and it's raining and there's fog or sea mist coming over. But this, I've just walked a bit further along and I was showing you the fleet over there. But look at the light to the southwest, across the sea, and St Catherine's Chapel on top of the hill. The blackthorn in front of me in the foreground, and the light is starting to go golden, very pale gold, with silvery blues entwined. Look at that, and look at the gorgeous the patterns on the hill to the side of St Catherine's Chapel. It's perfectly positioned along the Jurassic coast, and I'm very lucky to see this today. I will paint this scene, so watch out for a new collection in watercolour of this area of southwest Dorset along the Jurassic